you settle into a comfortable position, just allow your eyes to find a natural, soft focus, or let them gently close whenever you feel ready. And now just take a long, easy breath in. And as you exhale, let your body soften just a little bit more. With each breath, you're already allowing the outside world to gently fade into the background. Notice the air moving in through your nose and then out again. And let all thoughts simply drift like leaves gliding down a quiet, peaceful stream. And in a moment, I'll invite you to relax each muscle in your body, starting at the very top of your head. And as you listen to my voice, you might notice a gentle sense of heaviness, or maybe lightness, a floating sensation in your arms and your hands. And that's perfectly fine. Just allow whatever feeling you notice to grow. And with each word I say, let your eyelids grow heavier. And if they're not already closed, you may find it pleasing to simply allow them to close, to drift and to relax. You're beginning to feel a sense of calm, a gentle surrender, knowing that you can trust this process. Just say to yourself, I am ready to relax. And allow your jaw to unclench, your shoulders to melt, and the breath to flow in and out, deeply and easily. With every exhale, you're finding it easier and easier to relax. You're doing perfectly. And in a moment, I'll count down from 3 to 1. And with each number, your relaxation will double, and your focus will sharpen like a lens, bringing the world into gentle, soothing softness. 3. A wave of relaxation washes over your scalp and your forehead. 2. Your eyes, your cheeks, your jaw, so calm, so soft. And 1. All the way down, letting go, safe in this moment of profound comfort. And just let this moment deepen even more, as if you're stepping onto a soft and welcoming path, a trail through a peaceful forest at dusk. Imagine the earth underfoot, cool and supportive, as you begin to walk slowly, each step carrying you further into a place of true peace. Notice the quiet rustle of leaves, the a gentle hush swirling around you as you breathe in that clean, comforting air. And as you continue to relax, imagine a gentle mist rising, wrapping you in a safe, soothing embrace. Each breath now seems to draw peace into your very core. Your muscles grow heavier and softer, as if gravity itself is carrying away any last bits of tension. With every step you take, imagine relaxing even deeper, maybe down a set of 10 soft steps, each one more tranquil than the last. And in your mind, see the number 10 as you step down, and with every number, you double your comfort, double your relaxation. 10, deeper. 9, aware of your calm. 8, letting go even more. 7, your whole body relaxing. 6, breathing in ease, breathing out any tension. 5, halfway down, doubling your pace. 4, peace surrounds you. 3, your mind drifting, your body softening. 2, so very safe here. And 1, completely relaxed now. Notice how every sound, every sensation simply helps you drift further into this beautiful state, allowing my words to become your thoughts, helping you to go even deeper. And the presence of any sound, even a distant snore, only signals your mind to drift, to float and to relax, just as you desire. And you may realize even now that the deeper you go, the better you feel. And the better you feel, the deeper you allow yourself to go. Just allowing this sense of well-being to flow through every cell. And now as you rest in this deep, peaceful state, your mind is relaxed and open. Your subconscious understands the power of focus and the comforting gift of selective attention. Right now, you're learning to treat sounds, even those you once found troubling or distracting, as gentle cues for relaxation. Just imagine for a moment it's night and you're lying comfortably in your own bed. You feel truly safe, supported by the mattress beneath you, every muscle unwinding. You notice perhaps the familiar presence of another breathing beside you, a loved one whose snoring used to capture your attention. But tonight, things are different. Just allow your mind to notice that sound, not as an annoyance, but as a distant, harmless background noise, like waves rolling in on a distant shore, or the soft hum of rain beyond the window. And as you hear it, your subconscious mind becomes gently aware and then unconcerned. And from this moment forward, whenever you hear the sound of snoring, whether nearby or distant, you remember that it's just background, completely safe and totally unimportant. And every time your mind drifts to that sound, it will automatically trigger a new, effortless response. You'll just relax more deeply. Each snore becomes a cue for comfort, guiding you deeper into contentment and serenity. And just imagine now a gentle volume knob inside your mind. And every time you hear the sound of snoring, you easily and automatically turn down the volume, making it softer and softer until it barely registers, if it registers at all. You are always in control of your attention, and you can dim the sound until it seems so far away. It's as if it belongs to another time and another place, leaving your own thoughts clear, soothed, and undisturbed. And as you breathe, visualize the air you inhale as pure comfort, filling your body, while any sound, even snoring, flows out with every exhale, releasing tension, increasing calm. And from this point forward, every sound you hear at night, including snoring, sends a message to your mind. Go deeper, feel calmer, just let go. And your sleep is untroubled, easy and deep. And your mind knows how to filter what matters and what doesn't. And snoring simply signals peace, comfort, and ease. And as night after night passes, you realize you simply no longer react to snoring sounds. Instead, your mind chooses quietly and automatically to associate that sound with rest, calm, and safe, undisturbed slumber. And just repeat within your mind these affirmations. Every sound at night makes my relaxation deeper. When I hear snoring, I feel calm and at ease. It simply passes by. And from this night forward, your mind and body understand. Snoring is just a background sound. It has no meaning. It has no power over your comfort. You've learned to relax, to let go, and to embrace peaceful, uninterrupted rest. And now it's time to bring this session to a close. In a moment, I'll count from 1 to 5. With each number, you'll become a little more awake, a little more aware, bringing with you this new sense of ease and skill, knowing that snoring or any other background noise no longer has an effect on your peace, your sleep, or your sense of well-being. Begin to bring gentle movement back to your fingers and toes. Notice the air filling your lungs, feeling your energy returning, positive and refreshed. 1. Starting to return, stretching your body gently as though waking from the most soothing, restorative sleep. 2. Your energy flowing back, feeling lighter, feeling clearer. 3. More and more aware of the room around you. The sounds that were once distracting have faded into peaceful background. 4. Eyes feeling lighter, the urge to open them growing gently. And 5. Eyes open, fully awake, calm, refreshed and empowered, and ready for a peaceful night and an even better tomorrow. And as you go about your nights ahead, you'll discover without effort that the moment you hear snoring, your mind automatically responds with calm. It's as if every snoring sound becomes a doorway to deeper peace, a gentle prompt to relax even more. You realize only restful comfort flows in, and discomfort drifts away, and peaceful sleep remains. Thank you for giving yourself this time to recharge and transform. Every day and every night, your ability to enjoy calm and peace grows stronger. Trust the changes, enjoy the comfort, and remember, until next time, goodbye and good mental health.